I would like to relate to the comments of my dear judge here. You have zero budget, di ba? I really appreciate with that figure that you have a zero budget. It really convey to us nga ang teacher gidya always ang nagapanabon sa tanan nga mga galastuhan for the sake of our learners. Thank you so much, ma'am. Okay, pigado gidya ang mga teachers kay naubos sa tanan sa panabon. Ma'am, I am a science teacher. So I would like to suggest para at least it will help improve your innovation, Project SIGA. Actually, ma'am, kanami sa imo mga title, very catchy sa katama, SIGA. But I would like to suggest, ma'am, for the future, it might be, magamit mo siya, ma'am, sa future, ma'am. Project SIGA siya gyapon, ma'am. Pero ang clearer picture sa imo innovation would be like this. Body-body with the parents. The more nga gina-engage natin, ma'am, ang mga stakeholders, naganami aton innovation, ma'am, because there is a participation of other stakeholders, especially the parents. So, ma'am, imo abi, ma'am, topics, ma'am, sa science, ma'am, is about constellation. Maobra ka, ma'am, sa ang imo, ma'am, nga SIGA, amo to i-print nimo using the Canva, ihatag mo, ma'am, sa nanay. And then, paghatag mo sa nanay, ma'am, ang nanay ang matudlo sa bata para maka-learn ang bata sang mga topics about constellation with the aid of your Canva infographics. After a week, babalik, ma'am, mabalik ang bata. You are going to assess what is now the impact of that Project SIGA sa bata. With that, ma'am, klaro ka tama. Because in this case, hindi na ako makita, ma'am, kung paano mo gi-implement ang imo nga project. But in that case, amo na siya, ma'am. One last thing, ma'am, is, ano ang imo nga hugot sa imo, ma'am, nga Project SIGA? Because there should be always a gap why we conduct innovation.
Correct, sir. I agree. So the reason behind why I made this innovation is that since our school is belong in a far-flung areas na lugar, then we don't have this what do you call this access on the internet. Like wala mayo, budlayan kami mag-send, biskan mag-send lang. So I cannot hindi ko maka-online. So what I made is a printed. They can see it in the classroom as well as they can bring it at home for study.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Actually, nagasulod kagay na sa akon utok sang paghambal sang Project SIGA is actually suga gid man, ma'am, akon ginapananaw. But upon reading your article, sining ko tulain gali siya nga version. Pero nami ito, ma'am, ang suga tani, ma'am, because you are teaching in a far-flung school. Thank you so much. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.